Hello everyone and good evening. In this video we will revise writing. Okay, so we will learn how to complete or to write complete sentences using the appropriate vocabulary. Okay, but before that you need to remember the following. First, you should write complete sentences. Next, you need to use words from the given word bank. After that, you make sure you are writing or you are spelling words correctly and using the appropriate punctuation, capital letter. These are important elements in writing. Also, do not forget to use the right grammar. Okay, let us start with the first example. You have look at the image, answer these questions by writing complete sentences. Use the words in the box to help you. Okay. Question 1. You have what is the weather like today? Look, you have a picture and you have words here and you are supposed to use them. For instance, we can say, today the weather is sunny. Okay. You want to write another answer, it's possible. You can say the weather is windy. It's possible. Okay, but the best answer is today the weather is sunny. The second question. What do you do when the weather is nice? I can say I play football or go horse riding when the weather is nice. So I am using football and horse riding. Okay? Or if I want to start with this one, I can say when the weather is nice, I go, for example, horse riding or I go play football, as you like. The most important thing is writing complete sentences, starting with a capital letter and finishing with a full stop, grammatically correct, okay? The last question, where do you go when the weather is sunny? For instance, when the weather is sunny, I go to the beach. Again, I am using the word beach. Okay? Yeah, this is how in general we should answer our questions. Of course, you can add words from your own mind, but still you can use the words which they are given to you. Okay? The second one, same thing. You have picture, you have words, you need to use these words to answer the questions and don't forget to look at the picture they give you. Okay, you have how many students are there? So we can see in the picture there are 8 students. How many windows are there? Again, in the picture I can see 2 windows. There are 2 windows. 3. What does the teacher do? Again, I can see the teacher in the picture. So the teacher teaches student. So I am using the word teacher here. I'm using the verb teach, but I should put es because you have teacher means she. And of course, students. Last question, how do students feel? Look at the faces of students. Of course, these students look happy. I can say the students feel happy or the students are happy, as you like. Okay, that's how we must answer in the exam. I should write complete sentences. If, for example, you write for me how many students are there, you say only 8, then your answer is not complete. If you say how many windows, you write only 2, then your answer is not complete. So please avoid that. Question 3. The same thing, you have picture and you have words. What can you play? I can play football. What can your brother play? My brother can play tennis. What can your friend play? Your friend, or my friend, sorry, can play table tennis. And last one, what can your sister play? My sister can play volleyball. I choose words from the box here and I write my complete sentences. Okay? The last one, again, you have words here, you have a picture here, so you need to use them to complete your pictures. Do you wash the dishes? You can say yes, I wash the dishes, or no, I don't wash the dishes, as you like. But it should be complete answer. What does your mother do at home? You can say my mother cooks and washes the floor, as an example, or washes the dishes. Next one, what do you do to help at home? I make the bed sometimes, sometimes I make the bed to help at home. The last one, does your brother make the bed? You can say yes, he makes the bed, or you say no, he does not make the bed, as you like. The most important grade 4 in writing, you need to write complete sentences. Pay attention to capital letter. Your sentence always must start with a capital letter and also finishes with a full stop. And don't forget, make sure you write words correctly. I mean the spelling is correct. Okay? The last one, this is in case they ask you to write more than one sentence, like 3 or 4 sentences, like a short or a small paragraph. For example, here you have write 3 or 4 sentences about this question. What do you do on the weekend? I simply say, on the weekend, I go camping in the desert with my family, full stop. So I have sentence 1. We set the tent, means we prepare the tent. After that, my mother and father make the food, means they prepare the food. And in the evening, we sit around the campfire to keep us warm. So I write simple sentences about what we have learned regarding camping in the desert. Okay? Thank you very much, grade 4. I hope you follow these instructions properly when you are answering your questions in the day of the exam, and wish you the best luck. Thank you very much. Okay?